Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new here, this channel is all about nails, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're into, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, coming back to my channel, thank you so much. You guys, remember back in on Wednesday when I told you I'm going to be sharing with you my guest haul? This is a video. Do not skip not even a minute of this video because everything that I'm showing you are gems. This dress that I'm wearing is in the video. So make sure you head over to your nearest guest outlet or guest store or the online store because their sales and the items that they have, chef's kiss. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. You guys, look at this dress. You cannot tell me this dress is not gorgeous. It has these cross body straps in the front and then straight backs on the shoulder. And it kind of has this little like what is it, ruffles on the bottom. It's such a pretty dress. Look at this dress. Like, you cannot tell me this dress is not everything. I love this dress, you guys. Just like this. I will style it just like this with the red lip, a high bun. I have these black and white zebra like shoes and a black bag. Like, who is she? Like, where am I going? Like, somebody invite me somewhere. If not, it's okay. I'll take myself. But look how gorgeous this is. This on a solo date, on a girls' night. If you have a man, you know, wear this for your man. But look at this. Like, she is sexy. I love this dress. Okay. Baby, look at the material. You cannot tell me this dress is not stunning. Just look at it. You guys, look at this dress. This dress is stunning, okay? This is a bandage material dress. It's not super tight and confining like some of the bandage dresses that I've had in the past, but this dress, she's a stunner. The shoulder, okay? Like, I love it. And then the back, look at this zipper that goes all the way from the top of your back to the top of your bum. Like, honey, listen, I would style it just like this with a bun, a red lip. I would wear the zebra and white shoes that I have. Like, let me get them shoes because they're too fire. All right, you guys, okay? Let me bring you down so you can see the whole, hopefully you can see. But this is the way I would style it, okay? With this black bag and these black and white zebra shoes. Like, you cannot tell me this is not a stunner. Like, she is gorgeous, okay? I'm giving you body. I'm giving you classy. Like, this on a date, on a girl's night out. Like, you cannot tell me this dress is not a vibe. Like, if you don't get anything else, go over to Guess and get this dress, okay? $15. $15 from this dress. And the body is bodying, okay? It looks so good. And if you say otherwise, you're a hater. All right, you guys, you're probably wondering, why do you have this sweater on? Let me tell you, the best time to stock up for the fall and winter is in summertime because they have the best sales. So the first thing I got from Guess is this beautiful sweater, this little crop cardigan sweater. Look at the detailing on it. It's so stinking cute. I love her. It has 3 little buttons right here. And I just love how crop it is and is really soft. And I love also how puffy, like how big the sleeves are. And this, I paid $21.98 for the sweater. And I'm trying to figure out the regular price. It had to be in the 70s because the tag, you see, it says it was on sale for $54, but then I got it for $21. So that means it was higher than $54, obviously. But yeah, this sweater is so cute. Imagine this with some denim, some little booties. And look, even with this look that I have on, it's super cute. You could obviously remove the top underneath and just wear it as a cute cardigan. Make sure you have, you know, the right undergarments on. But yeah, she's super cute. And I love how I just love how it looks. So yeah, make sure you start stocking up for the fall and winter, okay? This is the best time. So yeah, first item, let's move on. All right, you guys, you cannot tell me this skirt is not super cute. This is a tennis skirt, and I paid $21.98 for this one as well. If you saw my last Nordstrom video, you saw that I'm obsessed with tennis skirts. So I got this cute black one. Look how cute she is, you guys. Let me bring you down a little bit so you can see it better. Can you see it a little bit better? Like, look how cute. This with some cute tennis shoes or a cute little sandal. Like, you cannot tell me this is not a vibe right here. She's super cute and girly, and I just love the way it looks. So yeah, this is the second item. Okay, this is another item that is more for the fall and winter, but when I saw it, I had to get it, you guys. This is a pleather. Let me bring you down. A pleather skirt. It's a pleather mini skirt, like a faux leather skirt. And she's so cute. Imagine this with some thigh-high boots or some cute little like leggings underneath it. It's just super cute. And I only paid $17.98 for this skirt. Let me see. The full price, they marked off the full price, but so regular price, I guess, is $54.99, and I only paid $17 for it. Look how cute this skirt is. Like, you cannot tell me this is not a cute skirt. So, yeah. Even with this outfit that I have on right now, like this shirt and this whole look, this is a vibe, okay? I could do a whole look based on this right here. You guys, look at the skirt. Can you see a trend here? Can you see the kind of like style that I have? I have a really girly, feminine style. So when I saw this skirt, this is a suede material. And of course, we're not wearing suede in the summertime, but this is perfect for the fall and winter. It has these gold buttons going down the front of the skirt. And she's just so pretty. And this came out to be $21, $21.98. And I think the regular price, let me see, does it say on here? If I can see. It was marked down to 54, and I got it from 21, so that means it was higher than 54. But look how cute the skirt is, you guys. With some cute boots and a cute little coat. Like, you can't tell me this is not a cute outfit right here, okay? All right, you guys, I totally forgot to connect my microphone, but here I'm showing you this cute halter top shirt. It is, I think I paid like $7, $7 or $8 for the shirt, and the back is out. She's nice and thin. She's such a cute little shirt. This with some jeans or a cute little denim skirt and some sneakers or some sandals. It will look so cute, even with some jeans, you guys. Jeans and a pair of high heels with this bun and the red lip. I think this is what I was saying. And yeah, look how pretty it is. So you could definitely wear this now. You can even wear it in the winter with a long sleeve shirt underneath it. But yeah, love this shirt. All right, you guys, so this shirt, I like this so much. I got her in black as well as this green color. I paid about $7 for the shirt, and I just love this. You could definitely wear this now in the summertime. It has this little cute little cap sleeves with this like area right here and a cute little bow in the back. I just love how cute this shirt is. And once again, this could be worn early fall and obviously now in the summertime. And the cool thing about this shirt is, you guys, since I got it in black, obviously when you get an item in black, it just looks more high-end and classier. So this with some denim, some cute little dressy like trousers and some heels, you know, a red lip like I have now will set the vibe off. Okay, you guys. This one, I will wear this one with some cut off shorts and a cute little pair of sandals, and it just looks really good. I just love the way this shirt looks on my body. All right, you guys, the next item, just like my previous item, if I see a piece of clothing and I like the way it looks and they have different colors, I'm gonna buy it. So I got this cute Rouge bodysuit. I got her in this ivory color, and of course I got her in black, and I just love the detailing of it. This rouging right here is great when you go out to dinner. It camouflages the food baby, so you don't have to worry about sucking in or anything like that. So this is the way it looks in black. So it has the rouging, it's long sleeve, and obviously we're not wearing this in the summer. And this is the back right here. And of course, we're not gonna wear this, you know, in the summer when it's 100 degrees outside, but we could wear this in the fall and winter. So I'm just prepping. And so this bodysuit was $24.99, and you can't beat the price. The quality, she is a nice material. She's stretchy. She feels comfortable. This with some of my skirts that I showed you earlier, or some jeans with some booties. And it's such a really nice bodysuit. So yeah, make sure you check out their bodysuits as well. You guys, oh my God, look at this dress. This dress, and she got pockets. Look how pretty this dress is. Okay, this is a suede dress. It's the same material with the same gold buttons as the skirt that I showed you earlier. So this is definitely a fall/winter item, but I couldn't pass it up. Look how cute she is. It's like an A-line dress, and I just love how like rich and luxe I look. Like this dress just screams like I'm that girl. Like look how pretty this dress is. This was with a cute pair of booties, and you can even wear some leggings underneath it if you feel if it's a little bit colder where you're gonna be at. But look how pretty this outfit is, you guys. Look, I just want to show you up close. The material is this pretty suede material. And of course, you could button her up, you know, to make it a little bit classier. Or you could, you know, undo some buttons and wear like a push-up bra if you're going like on a dinner day or out with the girls and you want to make it a little bit sexier. Wear a push-up bra and, you know, have the girls out a little bit. But if you want to be a little bit more modest, you know, button her up all the way up, or you know, just like this. So this is so cute. I love this dress. I'm a dress girl, okay? So all right, you guys, that completes my Guess haul. I don't know why people do not be talking about Guess, but I'm gonna need y'all to get on Guess, okay? Because Guess be having the gems, especially the sales rack. Make sure you hit up the sales rack, or just Guess in general. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, all right. Check. I had to hit that slide out so these niggas know me, and I been in my hideout. Had to pump that, get that thump back, hit low 1-2 step. I run that, get that boom bap dumping. Make your mind step to the side and make your soul want to sing like ooh ooh make your soul want to sing ooh ooh I've been rolling, ain't no holding back. I owe me for them years of pushing music over dollars. Now my